So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I might go ahead and give y'all the tea. So we just gonna go ahead and get into the video. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jazz, back again with another video. Ow!
I've been on top for a while. Now I chip it to the moon. Fast car make go vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom room. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared.
Before we get started with anything, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. As you guys can tell by the title and by the thumbnail, y'all, this is gonna be some little tea, some good tea, some tea y'all need to know. The reason why y'all clicked on this video, because you getting ready to start a channel and you trying to figure out how you gonna get them first 50 to 100 subscribers. Trying to figure out how that's gonna work. So you clicked on this video because you know I got the tea and I'm gonna give it to you. So we just gonna go ahead and get into the video. The first important thing you need to do is have a YouTube layout, meaning customize your channel, meaning have a banner, have an updated profile picture, because nobody is going to take your channel serious when they click on your channel and it's like everybody else's channel. So make your channel look different, make your channel stand out. The second thing you want to do is have an introduction video. Who are you and what are you bringing to YouTube? Those are the questions you need to answer in your introduction video. The third thing is to be involved with other small channels, meaning you need to be liking, commenting, and just like being involved. What you want somebody to do on your channel, do it on other small YouTuber channels as well. The fourth thing I have is to share and promote your channel. So first of all, your friends and your family should already be your friends and your family should already be subscribed to your channel. So while you sharing and promoting your channel, they should be sharing and promoting your channel as well. You get what I'm saying? Like if they your friends and they your family, they should be your A1 day ones, the main ones supporting you. Like they wake up in the morning like,
let me go share her channel on my page real quick.
Just in the mood, you know, just ready. The fifth thing I have is to make trending and entertaining content, meaning something that's gonna have somebody like, oh, what's she gonna post today? What's she gonna post today? Or where you gonna post today? Where you gonna post today? Like, oh, yeah. Make them wanna keep coming back. Have something that'll keep them coming back. It's things like challenges, pranks. You wanna do reactions, like, and when you do reactions, make sure that it's something that you're like interested in a way. Like, don't just do a reaction on something that you don't know about just for clout. Now you just got like, just make sure it's something that you're interested in and you're gonna know what you're talking about in the video. Because if somebody click on that video and you sound like you don't know what you're talking about, they're gonna click right off of the video, period, and find somebody else to watch. So make sure you know what you're talking about when you're doing these reaction videos. And a little piece of advice that I wanted to add to the end of this video is to not worry about what people is gonna think. I think that's why a lot of people like afraid to start their channel, is because they worry about what other people is gonna think. But what you need to remember is, what are you doing this for and who are you doing this for? Is you doing this to worry about what people think? I'll wait. And I'm still waiting. I didn't think so. So yeah, just keep that in that mind when you about to start this little channel. Period. So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this video was so helpful for you all, and I want to get your channel started. Like, stop procrastinating, get your channel started. But don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Share my channel. And I'm out.